Alright guys, it's time to move and work with Redux. So let's now create here in our components a file with a name of store.js. Okay, now we want to import a couple of things. Import create store. Okay, we need apply middle it needs 2D middleware. Okay, and compose from, of course, from Redux, guys, from Redux, from what I'm doing, from Redux. Okay, cool. From Redux. Now we are cool. Okay. So what these bodies do? So the first one, which is the create store, is the brain of Redux, which does what? It creates all the store which holds the state, guys. Right? Right. Apply middleware. Right now, what does? It's a way to extend Redux functionality with custom functionality. Okay, and finally, we are gonna talk about compose. Compose. We use it when we want to pass many enhancers or multiply enhancers. Okay, let's also import. We need import. We need thank from Redux. Do I have it here? No. Redux. No, we don't have the thank. Oh, damn. So, don't worry. Control clear. J npm install redux thank. Okay, let's go in our package. Thank. Now it is going to be installed here. Redux thank. Okay, npm install again. Npm install. What I'm doing? Mistake. Close. Damn, what I'm thinking. View terminal npm start. What I was thinking. So I'm gonna close it. Okay, now we need to import thank from redux thank. Where is redux thank? Here it is, the body. We need to import root reducer we haven't created it yet. We are gonna create it from I'm gonna create it a folder and name it let me see a couple of things. Okay, sorry about this guys, I was a little bit confused with the folder. So because I don't want to make mistakes and then searching for mistakes, it's very ugly. So we are gonna import rooted user from reducers. We haven't created it yet, we are gonna create it. Okay, after this we want, right, let's go and initiate a state, initial state. If we don't have an initial state, our app is gonna break. So const, we need middleware equal with thunk to initiate the thunk, like this, right? All these guys are the default things that you have to create in order the redux work. Okay, let's make const store equal with, we need the create store, okay, to input here the root reducer, yes, also the initial state, we need here the compose, and inside the compose we are gonna import the apply middleware, and we are gonna put all the, what I'm doing, all the middleware, not 2, 3, all the middleware. And also we need, okay, let me show you something in order to copy paste it, or you don't need it, you are going to have it. Window, okay, I'm gonna search here, window dot redux dev tools. Let me see here. Okay, I'm showing some ways ways. Let me see. Come on now, I'm spending my time with this thing. Come on, open. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna take this code, compose until here. Okay, copy. Let me also save it here. Okay, this is what we are looking. Okay, cool. Copy. Just go here. We are gonna put Windows -- Redux DevTools extension and Windows -- Redux DevTools extension. Cool. All that I will want is this. Okay. Let's then go and create. We are ready with the create store, with the store. Create store. Let's say again if something is mistake. Create store. Apply middleware. Compose. Yes. Thank root user. State cons middleware. Thank. Okay. Right. Now let's go and go here inside the source, not the source, inside the components, and create a folder with a name of reducers. Cool. Then we need here, we need two files. The first one will be index.js. Cool. And the other will be, let's name it item reducer.js. Cool. Let's go to index.js and import we need the combine reducers from Redux. Okay. So combine reduces what does, guys? It takes an object and creates a function with that outputs a state object with the same key. Okay. let's go now and import item reducer from item reducer. Cool. Export default combine reducers. Okay. Item reducer. As I told you, it outputs a state with a key, with the same key, right? Now export default combine reducers for combine from redux, then reducer, right? Let's close it right now. We need to go now to let's go and create let's go and create some types for actions. Let's go first of all types which are constants, which you are gonna show us if something returns or no. Let's go, where is the components here? Cool. Yes, we need actions. Inside we need right now types.js, and also we need another file. Let's call it item actions.js. Cool. First of all, let's go and create some types. So, as I told you, types are constants or strings that check actions and creators situation. Okay, let's go and create it right now. Let's export const get items equal with, okay, let's copy the same, it must be the same, get items. Cool. Copy all these now. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm gonna create many things. Okay, we need now add items. Cool. Control copy, paste. Here we need delete item. Control copy, paste. We need toggle nav. Okay, copy, paste, close navbar, copy, paste. We need banner, close, copy, paste, increase item, as you can see, we have many functionalities. Decrease item, cool. Let's create another control copy, decrease. Okay, we don't have many now. We need the total items. Okay, and the details. The copy, control paste. Cool. We created all our types. Let's go now and let me see. Okay, why don't we go in let's go in reducer. Item reducer. Okay, why don't we first of all import the redux? Let's go in our yes, like this I did here. Okay, let's go in our app.js, cool, and say import, no with capitals, import, we need the provider, which is gonna provide all the things that we need from Redux, from React Redux right now, guys. React Redux and no Redux. Okay, also we need, what happened here, import, no with capital, store from, what I'm doing, import store from components, cool, and we got here the store, right? What else? Provided the store, right? So we have to wrap right now all the app. Okay, just cut it or copy it, cut it. We need to put here the provider, cool, and paste right now. Store is undefined. Provider, we need to put the store here, the store, does not contain a default export. Import it as store. Import store. Okay. We are gonna fix all this. Okay, let's go to the store. Not got any default export. Let's see. Where is the store? Store. Yes, I'm not exporting it. So export default store. Okay, these things happen when you forget something, so close it right now, we don't need it. Let's go and okay, we don't need the app. We are gonna work with card. Let's go into the actions, item action. Cool. And we need right now to import all the types here. Import from types. Okay, what we got? We got the, I don't remember. Okay, get items. Okay, I'm gonna copy it. Item action, get items, add items. We have many things here. Okay, delete item, toggle nav, okay, what else? Close navbar. I haven't put here. Close navbar. Control copy. Banner close. Right. What else? Increase item. Cool. Decrease item. Yes. Total items. Damn it, so many things. What did I do? Details. Cool. We got all these stuffs right now. So guys, we need now to start some things. So for getting the initial showing items. Cool. We need to create a function right now, so let's say export const get items, cool, equal with, cool. And we want to return, okay, what? A type only, because we don't want to get we want only to take get items. We don't have something like payload actions, because we don't want to change something when we push something. For example, we want just to bring some initial items. Okay, let's go now. After creating this, types. Okay, let's go to, I'm gonna copy all these guys because are so many and we are going to need it. Close the types here. Okay, in item reducers. Let's go now in item reducer. Let me see. And first of all, we need to import all this. Cool. We have to create then const what I'm doing, an initial state, guys. Const initial state equal with an object, and we got then the, let's say, the items. Cool. And here we got all the items. Let's say an object, default export, yes, because we haven't created yet. Okay. Items. Cool. We need here all the item guys. So we need the ID one. You know, guys, I'm gonna grab it this initial things because there are so many, and you can just copy and paste it. Okay. Let me go now. Where is right? Now open it. Reducers, yes, item reducer. Okay, gonna item actions, item reducers. Okay, here is all the initial. I'm just gonna copy only the not on the items, on another things. Okay, const initial state. Look how many things we got. Copy item, okay, paste. Cool. Don't need it anymore. Right, what we got right now, guys, is the initial state with a real item. Did you remember that we had here some shoes Air Max like this from the data? Look, where is the data? The data file. Come on, data, come on, here. Okay, look, the data. Some Nike Air Max like this. Okay, this was in order because we haven't yet created redux, and I had with hooks to take the data. Okay, now this is our basic that we need. You can just write it if you want. Okay, we need the ID, the image, the title, the price, details, cool, count, is in card, by default is false. You can write it. You can just stop your PC. You can pause. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, then we want here an empty card. You can write it, and is open, and is open. Okay, situation total, which is gonna be 0 by default, and the shipping, which will be 10 by default. Right. Okay, right now I'm gonna just push this button here. Cool. And we are going to move on. We are gonna create right now let me resize it. We are gonna create here a const, or we don't need the const. It's not bad. Const to do's equal okay, here we need a state which is equal with the initial state, cool, and an action. Yeah, after this we need a switch, yes, which is gonna take here action dot type, and of course it will have a default return state, and it needs here this, right? And of course we need to put export default to do's. Let's see, can resolve types, dot types, yes, we are taking it without store. We want to go in actions and here push types. see, and now it seems to be okay. Cool. Now guys, switch action to type. We are gonna implement what we want right now, guys. We want to use some cases. So case, what case? The first one is get items. Cool. Oh, what did I do? Not here. Case get items. Right. We want to return what we want to return here, all the items. Return all the state. Cool. This is the first initial. Let's write it, guys, in order to understand better. We want to get initial state. All these three dots, what does it mean? It means that, let's open it. It could be better to create an external file, but okay. It returns all these guys, all this, the initial state, all this state it returns. Okay. Look. It returns all this. Okay. Not a specific, for example, not a specific like this or this. It returns all, as I told you. This means ... state. It's a spread operator here. It returns all the things. Okay. Right now. Let's go to at least we want to see the things. So let me see. We want to go at okay, we want to go at products, guys. Okay, we want to see the initial products. Okay, at least right now. Let's go. Where are our products? Products are here. Cool. What we need right now? We need to import import connect from React Redux. Connect is a way to bring is a way to connect the Redux with the React Redux in order to bring our products, let's say. Cool. After this, we need to go here in products, right? Export default, let's say connect. Cool. And after this we have to do something like this, right? And to import, of course, here we need a map state to props. We are gonna import our items as props. Okay, and of course here the get items. Cool. Cool, but it's not working. So guys, const map states, map state to props. Cool. We are gonna import here what I'm doing equal. Here we need the state, yeah, equal with, oh, not, yes, we need the item, oh, not, a mistake here, I forgot, it's a function, and then I need an object here is correct, item, and then to put state dot item. Okay. Item, remember you have to put here the same item that you put it, guys. Let me see, let me show you in order to not to get confused. Where is index? Here, look here, this is the item. Cool. Item, if you write, for example, here something like game, you have to put their game. Okay, if you write here item, you have to put, where are the products, here at least item, guys. Okay, as I told you, if you write game, you have to put game here. Okay, this means that we get now, let me show you, where is it, we get all the initial state, all this state. Okay, all this state. Cool. So we are so many things now, and I'm getting a little bit confused. Products, bro, yes. Cool. Products, let's write here the props. We are gonna get all these products as props, guys. Let's use the use effect. Okay, it's like component did mount. Of course, you can do this, guys. In order not to write all use effect all here by text, you can just look, close this, right tab, and then choose this with the square, the pink square. Use effect, boom, we got it. Now we need, what we need to import here, import get items from components. We need from actions. Okay, from item action. Cool. Of course there is a mistake here. Cannot is properly type of undefined. Okay. get items, products. Okay, let's stop for a while, I hope. Alright guys, let's continue. If you see a problem here with word that types are not defined, what you have to do is to close your terminal, okay, and start again npm start. I don't know why it got stuck. Maybe something with the server. So we don't have a mistake. I was searching for it. So now, of course, here we need to do this to put it in use effect, and we want only once to load, and to put the props.get items here, and inspect element, warning valid problem. How we are gonna fix it? Somewhere we put class. Okay, don't worry about this. So let's go. So we go, if we log, okay, here what we are gonna take, the props.get items, and let's see. Yes, we got the get items. We want the get items right now. Okay, if you remember, look, we created the get items and we are taking it. Get item. Okay, cool. Let's go here and check what log. We need to check the props.items. Okay, if we check the props.items, look, where is props.item? No items. Okay, we are gonna take it as prop. Okay, the item. This. What is gonna happen? Let me see. Props.item. Look here. We are taking all the items. Look. Let me increase it. Look here. We got 8 items. Okay, now we get all the initial state, guys, not only the array of items. Look. And if I'm going here, just write item, I want to see for a while the item reducer. Where is it? Items. We got items here. Let's see. So item is all this the initial state, and items we referred only to this. Look, the array, the specific. Let's go now and see. Products dot items. Let's see what is gonna happen. And here we are. We take only the specific item right now. Look, only this that we want, the arrays. Okay, I believe that we understood it. So let's close this right now, and I'm gonna do let's see, we got here we are in products. Okay, we are gonna put here let's do const, okay, items equal with props dot item. We are going to destructure it, right? And now we can take as items here. Look, let me see one more time what happened. Inspect element, console, and here we are. We take it as item. Reload it again. Yes, we take it as item. Look, okay, right. If you want, you can delete it or disable. Now we don't want this external data anymore because we are gonna use data from redux. So disable. Of course, we want to disable what? This. Cool. Or you can delete it. You can do whatever you want. Comment it or delete it. Okay. What else? You know. Okay. We don't need state here. We need the items that we put it. Items. State is not defined. Okay, items dot map product key product dot id data data with product. Okay, and here we are. As you can see, we take now all the initial things, guys, as you can see, right? If I don't put it, for example, okay, just look, state does not exist anymore, guys. Look here, we disable it. Okay, we commented it. Even if I reload, we are not taking. Okay, if we put the what I'm doing, items, look, everything is gonna be changed, right? We are taking now from redux all the items. Cool. We are okay right now. Item action, okay, item products, we got the product. Let's go to specific product. It pass here some the products pass, okay, some props are the same, we don't have problems. Let me see for a while. Where is product? The single product is here. Yes, okay, let's go and create right now, guys. Let's create our card. Why not? Before creating, let's go to item action. Okay, why don't we create item action? Let me see, where is the item action? Okay, next thing that believe that it's better to create is for closing navbar if is open. What I'm doing for appearing, disappearing. Okay, what I'm doing this appearing navbar. Okay, let's give a functionality now. Export const toggle nav equal with. We are gonna create a dispatch here in action creators, because we don't want to use dispatch inside the component. I don't like this. Log, let's put clicked. Okay, after this dispatch again, guys, and we want the type of toggle toggle nav. Okay, we created this. Now let's toggle nav. Yes, let's go in item reducer. Where is it? Come on. And let me close it right now. No, yes. Let's go here and right, guys. Toggle navigation for appearing. Okay, so case we write toggle nav, right? We want to return what? We need all the initial state as copy, as override, as always, and then the is open. What I'm doing is open to be the opposite of state dot is open. Look, right? Believe that you understand. Pretty simple. Okay, here we import all the state, all the initial state as copy, and here we put we go to is open and we put what we want. Okay, we want the opposite of state dot is open, which is, let me show you, which is here, is open. Look, it's false, the default. We want the opposite, that is gonna be true, right? Let me close it again. Cool. Let's go now in our, we're going to go to navbar, I believe. Let's see, there are so many things now, guys, and when the application becomes big you get more and more confused. So go to navbar. Where is navbar? Cool, yeah, We want to import here. We want to import, of course, the connect. Import connect from React Redux, because it's gonna connect the React with Redux. Of course, we need to import a functionality, the toggle nav from we need it from components, of course, actions and item actions. Okay, toggle nav of course here we don't need this anymore. Okay, of course here we need to import the connect, which is gonna take this, put it here like this, yes, and then another we need here the, as always, map state to props. Okay, and of course the toggle nav, guys, right, the action. Okay, we have now to create the map state to props. Okay, props equal with we need an object here. Okay, we need the default. Look here, the item, the state dot item. Cool. Put the state here. Fine. Map state to props is not defined. Map state to props. Why? Yes, of course, const, right? Cool, we imported all the initial state, and now we have to, we got the toggle now, right? Let's also create, guys, and the close nav directly. Go to item actions, okay? We got the toggle nav. Where is the so there are so many, guys, that I don't even remember. When you create so many things, sometimes you get toggle nav. We are in item action. Okay, cool. Okay, export const close navbar equal with let's put a dispatch here, which is gonna trigger an action. It's not necessary to put the dispatch here. You can put it inside the component that you create, but it's better creating an action created, I believe. Log, let's create also a log in order to see. Closed, let's write. Okay, go here, write dispatch. Cool, and we need type close, of course, navbar, right. This is for, I'm gonna write comment for closing with capitals. What are you Codito doing? For closing navbar if it is open. Cool, we created this thing right now. Let's go to, let's write closed because it was open. Here we need to go to item reducer, right? Go here, close navbar if it is open. Cool. Okay, we need now to put, as always, a case, guys. Let's start from here. Case, okay. The case will be close. What I'm doing? Close navbar. Okay, then let's write if state dot is open equal with true. When it will become true, what we want? We want to return 1, 2, 3, the initial state, of course. Okay, we all know it right now. And this open to be is open to be false, to close. Okay, I believe you understand it. It's straightforward. Now, what we are doing here, close navbar. If the navbar from here, if the navbar when we push here, it will open. Okay, okay. This is gonna check. If it is open, we want to close it when we push something, a button, for example. I believe only this. I don't want to do something else right now. Okay, okay. Now we need to import the item action, the close navbar, control copy, inside in our in our products. We got now the get items, import the close navbar, right? Also we need to import it here, right? Close navbar. Cool, let's reload. Yeah. Now we don't need okay, we say that we don't need this. Oh, what I'm doing, guys, what I'm doing. sorry, absolutely mistake of me. Get items. Sorry guys, sorry. We are not working in products, guys. We are working here. So toggle nav, we need the close navbar. Cool. What I'm doing sometimes. So also we need here the close navbar. Cool. And now let's go. We don't need the where is yes. What we are gonna do right now is we need to put, of course we don't need these things anymore, okay, because this is are from hooks, we don't need. We are gonna put here on click, okay, props dot toggle nav. Yes, because we are getting the toggle nav as props. Also, let's write here. We can also write, guys, okay, props dot item dot cart dot length full. What else? Let me see. Link. We need to put here the not toggle. We need here to put the props dot let me see, item dot cart oh no cart, what I'm doing, dot is open yes, where is the span, the X, yes, here we need to put props dot toggle nav props props dot toggle nav okay, and we got some problem. Props, why? Because we haven't put props here. Let me see. And here we are, guys. Look, it's worked correctly. Right. Look. Boom. Let me see something here. Okay, look now what we are gonna do. Clicked clicked. If I press here, clicked. Go in here, clicked again, boom, boom, right? Okay, everything works perfect, guys. About the navbar, we get the navbar 9 functionality from Redux. Okay. Right. We got the close navbar. Toggle nav. Okay, I want to do something else right now. Press dot close navbar. Here, where is the on click? Let's put close navbar. Cool. Inspect element. If I'm gonna open, it is open. If I close, look, closed because it was open, right? Right. Maybe it's better putting it if it is open. No. Okay, don't want to deal more with these things, guys. Let's move on. We got many things to do. So navbar, it's okay. Yes, let's close navbar. Bye bye navbar. Let's go now to let me think for a while. What's the next things? Okay, let's create the functionality item action, the add to cart, right? Depend for adding items to cart. Cool. Export const add to cart equal. Okay, we want a dispatch. Yes. Cool. Not cool. Something happened. Dispatch. What did I do right now? Dispatch. Sometimes. Okay. We want here a dispatch again. Cool. And now we need a type which is gonna be add items. Cool. And the payload, because we need now to change, to put an action, guys. The payload is gonna have here a parameter of ID, right? Let's go now in item, cool. Item reducer, item. Okay, let's go to add items, right? We need to add item reducer, okay? Items to cart, cool. Let check equal, let's create state dot cart dot find. We're gonna use the method find, okay? Item dot id equal with action dot payload, cool. So we want this to match, guys. The check is gonna check if it's gonna find the ID. If the ID is equal with this, we want some things to happen. Okay, now if not check, what is gonna happen? We want here to bringing only the items that match the ID. Okay, let items equal state dot items dot, we are gonna filter here the items. We want to bring specific items, item dot id with action dot payload. So if the item does not exist, okay, it means that is not equal. Then we want to push here an item, guys. So let items cart equal, we want 1 2 3 the state dot cart and 1 2 3 all the items to push here, and of course then we want to return it. We want to return the initial state, as you can understand, and of course the card, which is gonna be this. Okay, you could also do so items card. Yes, I believe that is a better option. Okay, else, guys, what we need else, else let items equal with state dot items dot filter. We need item dot id 3. Oh, what did I do here? Not out here. Item dot id action dot payload. Okay, let's also items dot, let's make an for each, and we're gonna make ready a couple of things. Item, okay, item dot is in cart is gonna be true. Alert, let's put already in cart. We create directly the functionality of this. Okay, let's return state. Cool, let's go now in case, it was the case of add items. Let's go now in products, where are the products? Here, get items, let's put add to cart, also let's put it here, add to cart, yes. Of course, let's create here, where is add to cart, add to cart, okay. Const add to cart equal with, okay. We can put it directly, the add to cart here, where is as props, we are gonna pass it, or we can create another function and putting some another things. So we want the ID and props dot add to cart is gonna take the ID. Cool. we are here. Let's also create the banner clause, guys. Where is the banner? Item action. For closing the banner. Okay, let's copy this. There are so many things here now. Banner close. We don't need a specific ID. We need only a dispatch. And here banner close. Yes. Let's go to item reducer. Let's create and here here in items in cart we just what we did here, guys. We put the item, okay, cart items, but what else we did? If the items already here, it is already, we just did a filter again in order to make to put the banner here. Item dot is in cart true is gonna be the banner. So it's gonna tell us that already exists, that it is in cart. Now we want this banner to close automatically. How is gonna happen? So for closing banner after specific time, let's say. Export const banner okay, we did it. What I'm doing again, we need to go, okay, we need to create a case here right now, guys. Let me see. Case, yes, we need to put banner close, yes, and then state dot items dot for each item, let's say, and we want item dot is in cart to be false, right? And we want to return, of course, what? All the state, the initial state only. Here. Cool. After this, guys, let's go now in products. Cool. And we need to import also here the banner close, and also here banner close. Here we are gonna do props dot banner close. Before doing this, let's do something else. We want this what I'm doing, guys, set timeout. Okay, right, and after this let's put 200. We want props dot banner close to close. Okay, right, we want to import now to put here, pass here also the add to cart equal with we want the add to cart. Okay, and the ID is gonna be, let's see, add to cart product dot ID. It's gonna check if it matches this ID of the items that we match with the ID that we have here. Look, of add action, which this ID is the ID of read user. Look here. Where is, look, the ID. This ID of this item of cards, okay, if it matches with action that payload, which is the ID we pass and goes here, ID goes here as a parameter. Okay, add card. Also we want to pass here. Okay, the is in card equal with, no, equal with passes parameter the product dot is in card. Okay, let's go in right now. in specific product. Where is the product? Okay, and we need to put, we are going to take things as props, so we don't need data, or we pass as data, guys. So we need data. Yes, of course we need data. Add to card, of course we need, and is, not with capital, is in card. Right. And what we need to do right now is div class name. Okay, just cut it. Is in card. Okay, is gonna put let me see, oh no, this here. We need to put here new in card and the in card. Okay, here in button we need to put on click equal with add to cart, let's see, add is not different, it's gonna be, yes, add to cart, and let's go title. I don't think that we need something else. Yes, okay, we finished with this. Let me see what's the next. So I'm gonna stop for a while, guys. Okay guys, now what's the next thing that we are gonna create? Let's go in card. Where is the card? Okay, what we want here to do, we want first of all, let's import connect here. Import connect from React Redux. Cool. After this, let's make this, then we need connect, okay, also chain map state to props, guys. We need the here to create, let me see, at the moment we don't have something, let's let it empty and just create here a const map state to props equal, right, we need here a state, cool, of course we are gonna put item, it's gonna be state.item, Cool. Let's now we don't need these items. Let's go where am I? Okay, let's go in our cart. Cart. So we haven't given yet functionality here, so you have to increase in order to see this functionality. Okay, we don't need the hook now. We don't need the data that we take now, right? And let's make const cart equal with props.item. We are gonna put here the props. Of course, cart is empty, guys, you understand. We don't have anything right here in cart. Now use effect. We are gonna take use effect and do get totals. Okay, we need the get totals. Props dot get totals. Cool. Let me, I want to load only once. For this reason I put this. So import, let's import we need get totals from components actions and item actions. Okay, let's see. Of course we need to put it here to make. Okay, get totals. Let's see. Something is not working. Let's see why. It's not exported. Item action. Of course, guys, we haven't created this. What I'm doing? Let it. I was a little bit confused because I was thinking something else. So we don't need this right now. Okay, so you can just comment. Neither this, just comment. What is happening? Okay, I'm gonna push on the clear, yes. If I will not start again, it's not gonna stop. So npm start. I don't know why, guys. Sometimes some things. Close this. If you have the same problem, you know what to do. The same thing. It disappeared. I don't know where this happened. So let's Okay, I don't want it. If you want, you can keep it. I will just delete it. Now, props dot we want in cart. Okay, cart. Right. Let me see. It seems that is not working. Let me see why. Cart is empty. Products. Add to cart. Okay, let's gonna stop for a while.